Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you guys here. So today I'm going to show you guys here about this fan right here that I just got. There's a few stories about this. I got the fan from one of my friends, I got it for free. So this thing did not spin well. This thing doesn't really spin well, so this thing doesn't really spin. It spins now, it does not work, so turn this on, it does not spin, it hardly spins. This, hardly. Sorry about that. Take this off. Well, it does not work. Had a few times I lost two of these screws. May try to find, but couldn't find them. So yeah, it was very dirty. It sat in like an apartment. It's been like an apartment. It sat there. Hasn't been taken care of in all an apartment. Like take care of your fans, people. Like come on. Yeah. So yep. So this fan is probably the one display. It'll be next. Here's the cover. It was in the workbench. I've got fixed. I twisted it a few times. Guess what I did? I twisted it. Twist step, take it out one part off. I twisted it until it's smooth. Guess what? This is what I did. That's how I fixed it professionally. So I'm gonna put this back on. Also, here's a few things about this. See, it's manufactured. I cannot find manufacturing. Oh. Alright guys, so I'm tired of this phone, so I'll try. Get a better camera. It'll take more storage. I do have GoPro, but you know, that's more of like biking there. Sorry about that. My phone is crashed. Oops, this one's halogen. Fire so fire as it happened. Alright guys, what do you guys think? Do I have to make it better? What? Right. Yeah, that's not what I want, but that's right. Medium. It's like the push button ones. Medium. Also, here's high. It is moving a lot of air. I'm not even joking. Guess what? See it here? Oh, it's flying around. Oh, nice. There's blowing a lot of air. So I fixed it professionally, did a pretty good job. Spin down. Alright. And that's it. Alright guys, and that is it. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, see you guys in the next one, and bye.